Peace. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Serrano. Thank you for subscribing. And today we're going to take a look at the Coolpad Legacy. I actually went into Metro Pcs just now, and I know that they had the Father's Day special. And so this device said $299 original price, but I actually seen a deal online where you can get this device for around $100, which is exactly what I paid, $100.04. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it. You can see it has Metro by T-Mobile for GLTE, the Legacy. Let's go over, take a look at this side. Now they started actually unboxing the phones in store, so the tape on here is already cut, but let's go ahead and take a look at the specs. You get the 4G LTE enabled, Android 6.36 inch, basically 6.4 inches, full HD display, 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel cameras, so that's pretty cool. 13 front facing cameras, so that's actually really cool. You also get 32 gigabytes of ROM and 32 gigabytes of 3 gigabytes of RAM, 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. You get the Coolpad phone SIM card, Type-C charger, data cable, and start guide. So let's go ahead and open up this box. And you can see he already did actually remove the sticker. It's pretty annoying. I wish I could unbox my own phone. I mean, they get paid to sell me the phone, not to open it. But as you can see here, there is the seal right there for your own appreciation. Now you can just take a look and admire, you know, how this looks right here. So let's go ahead and peel that off. And then you do have this looks like a sticker here, but it's actually not. Wait, what is that? That's actually just like part of the phone. That's not even a sticker, but it looks like a sticker. Fingerprint sensor. You got your flash right here, and your dual camera setup. You can see the 13 megapixel camera right there, and shaky cam. And then you do get your speaker grill right here. You can see that the volume rockers are right here embedded pretty nicely. They're in there really nice. They're not wiggling or anything like that, so it's pretty solid. You can see this does feel like aluminum all across the board, all around it. And you can see the dual speaker grills, but one of them is probably a microphone and Type-C charging. Now this device, first impressions, looks really good. Has a really nice size and feel in the hand. This is my type of phone right here. Has a really wide, this thing is really, you know, fat, pause, like basically it's really wide. It's wider than it is, well, it's actually tall and wide, but we're gonna go ahead. I think this is already on. Okay, so yeah, they set it up in the store, but I didn't get to set up like my fingerprint sensor or anything like that yet. So wow, so like right here you can see, boom. Let's turn that off. So you can see the home screen right here does look really nice. You swipe up, you get your app tray. That flows really nice. You can see you do have all like app store right here, Metro PCS apps, the camera right there. When you open the camera, it's gonna ask you to allow the camera. And okay, so they got the camera app right there. And whoa, so you do see that it says night/dark mode automatically. That's actually pretty cool. Let's see right here. So it automatically did that. So if it's really dark, it's gonna, well, that's it. It's got like an AI sensor on here. You got portrait and you got night shot right there, video mode right here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the settings in here. And AI mode, geotag, shutter sound, 4x13, 16 megapixel. You got 1080 on the back and 1080 on the front, as well as 720. So you also do get this gesture feature. When you put your hand up, it's gonna take a selfie and whatnot. Let's go back and take a look at some of the you know, like emojis and stuff like that. Let's just go and boom. So you got your Gboard right here. That looks really smooth, really clean. I really like how this is flowing so far. The software is really cool. Now you do get 3 options for phones for $100. You can get the Stylo 4, you can get the Coolpad Legacy, or you can get the G7 that they have in there. Now I could have got the G7, but I wanted to try something different, something with a new software. I have the E5 Plus, I have the Motorola One, so I wanted to try like a new phone right here. But as you can see, when we're going down to about phone, you're gonna notice that we're on Android 9 Pie right out of the box. And also let's check out the software version. It doesn't say right here, but yeah, we're definitely on the Android 9. So let's go ahead. You can see out of the box for storage, we're getting 10.82 used, so that's pretty cool. That's not bad at all. 34% used. So it does have like let's see right here, Chrome, clock, contacts, device unlock, drive, Google apps, Google One, Outlook, Metro PCS apps, everything like that. So let's go ahead, open up the YouTube. And it actually says we can try out the dark theme, so let's go ahead and try that out. So that's pretty cool. So it's just loading up. Let's go ahead and go to see Butler real quick. Keyboard feels really good, really responsive. And let's just go ahead and click that button. So you can see the colors look really nice. Let's go ahead and listen to the sound quality on here. Oh, that sounds really good. So it's the right speaker right here that we're getting, but that has really rich sound, and that does sound really good quality. So when you pinch right here, you get that feature right there. Let's go ahead and you get 1080p. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's turn up the brightness all the way up. And I really like the size of this phone. I like the sound quality as well. So the speakers are good. So far, everything is looking really cool on this device. You can see the picture-in-picture right there. But that is my first impressions for this device. We're gonna go ahead and long press. You get home wallpapers. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the wallpapers real quick. Let's click that button just once. Okay, so they're giving us a variety. Oh wow, that looks dope. Set that one. Boom. And yeah, the Coolpad is looking really good so far. Plus it has Pi right out of box, and this thing is feeling really smooth. Definitely got a new line. Let's test out the fingerprint real quick, set that up and see how fast it is, and then we'll wrap up this video. So we'll just go into software right here. March 1st security update right here on deck. Let's go right here to fingerprint. Next, let's add a pattern. I'm gonna put my pattern in right now. One, and then confirm it. So I'm gonna confirm that. Yes. And then let's go ahead and set this up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put it in different spots every time. 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, done. And then set up the face unlock right here and roll face. So let's set up our pattern. It says start. Let me see. So I'm gonna put this right on my face. So I'm just doing that right now. It says come closer. I came closer. There it is, face unroll. And then you can unlock the screen, face unlock, fill, activate screen fill light and dark environments. Well, that's pretty cool. And vibration alert. So let's go ahead out of here. But that is a quick unboxing, of the Coolpad canvas. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what else comes in the box. You get the start guide right here and everything like that. You also get your health warranty guide. You get your brick right here for quick charge. It looks like right here, and it's Type C, which is cool. So you definitely get the Type C right here. I'm not sure what kind of glass this is. I hope it's Gorilla Glass, but it might be Dragon Tail, to be honest. You also do get the SIM tray remover tool, and that seems to be all that's inside of here. This seems like it's lodged in there, so we're not going to try to pull it out, but we definitely would have like a cord for charging. I just don't see that in here. And so yeah, there's no cord in there, so pretty much on your own when it comes to that arena. But yeah, this definitely feels really solid for my first impressions. You get your camera right here on the lock screen, and your microphone and your face, your unlock button right here. And swipe up. Let's test out that fingerprint. Yeah, that's really fast right now. And I really like the size of this device. It feels really good so far. So make sure you guys stay locked in. It's your boy Serrano. I appreciate every last one of you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you for coming back every single day and every single way. In the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Have a great night, and I appreciate every last one of you. Every single like helps the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later, crew. Peace.